So something that I found annoying in Marlin, I couldn't find out how to get this change media option to go away. It's not in the regular configuration or configuration advanced. It's actually in menu main.cpp. So around line 300, you can just search M21 or change media. And you just want to go ahead and comment that out, just 2 slashes, and then save it and then compile, and that setting should be gone. So credit goes to someone on the forum or on the GitHub, I believe, so I'll put that in the description.